is ISTA's first ever middle school dance festival, so we're really excited. Our theme is Waves of Change. And as well as working on campus, we actually went to Gardens by the Bay, where the students had the opportunity to work with their ensemble in site-specific dance work. And that was super fun for the students. The festival's been amazing. We have 8 schools taking part from around Asia, 145 students, 6 artists, a rep, and an AD.
This is my first ISTA festival and it's really fun. I got to learn so many new skills and meet so many like-minded people. They all really love theater and dance, which is 2 things I'm really passionate about. So being able to collaborate over these 2 very distinct topics has been really special.
The best part of the festival was that I made a lot of friends from all over the world.
So the students are separated into ensemble groups and they're utilising either physical theatre or dance to create different pieces of work with their ensembles for a final showing performance at the end of the festival.
I'm completely blown away with the energy all the students have brought into this festival. They all were flowing through the sessions and it's been an amazing experience.
I was so privileged to be the artistic director on the festival. It has been amazing to be part of the creative process and to see the young people be so generous in their devising.